Okay, so we got this situation that we guys have already dealt with in previous session. We have solved the similar situation in circle, parabola, ellipse. Now we have to handle the same situation in hyperbola, and it is still the same. Okay, so pair of tangents drawn from external point. So there will be a point outside the curve. Okay, so from outside the curve you have to drop tangent. Okay, so how we will write down equation of that tangent? We will go with s1 equals t square. So who is s? S is equation of curve. Okay, who is s1? S1 is point satisfaction. Okay, means I will give you a point and then I'll be giving you a curve. So you have to satisfy that point and you will write s1 equals to that. Okay, so that is point satisfaction. Now t, who is t? T is transformation. Okay, so you have to take certain transformations for t. And what is that? So you will have x square. So you will replace x square with x1, y square with y1. Now you will replace x with x plus x1 by 2. You will replace y with y plus y1 by 2. Then we will handle xy. So how we will handle xy? X y1 plus x1 y by 2. Okay, then we have one thing, constant. So constant will remain constant. There will be no change in constant, and this is how you will get your t. Okay, so this is how we will write down equation of pair of tangents drawn from external point. Okay, now we have to write chord of contact. So what is chord of contact? So suppose this is the curve. So from here you can drop two tangent, correct? So these two tangent will touch the curve at 2 points. Okay, so this thing is chord of contact, this one. Okay, chord of contact. Is that okay? So how we will write down equation of chord of contact? It is t equals to 0 and done. Okay, now we have equation of chord if midpoint is given. You know that they will be giving you a curve, they will be giving you a point. Okay, suppose that we got this point. So from this point there will be infinite number of chords which will pass, correct? So among those chords there will be a chord which will get bisected at this point. Okay, so they are talking about this chord. Okay, so we will write t equals s1 and things are done. Okay, I hope things are clear. You guys are just revising things. Okay.